Hello everyone, this is Rakesh Kaplis, and today we are going to discuss the journal topic of plus one accountancy. So before starting the journal, let me tell you the definition of accountancy. As you all know that accountancy may be defined as a art as well as science of recording all the business and financial transaction systematically and scientifically. Another definition you can add, that is accountancy may be defined as the process of identification of transaction, recording of the transaction, classification of the transaction, summarization of the transaction, analysis, interpretation, reporting and communication of the business transaction. So the very first step in the accountancy is to record the transaction. After identification, like identification is not a basic functionality, just in order to recognize whether that transaction is business related or financial in nature. The very first practical function of the accountancy is to record the transaction. Recording of the transaction means to record the transaction in journal. The process of putting the transaction in a journal is called recording, and journal is also called daybook, or it is also called book of original entry. Why it is called book of day book? Because all these transactions are recorded in the journal on the day base, right? If anything is being occurring on today, then it will be recorded today, and all the transactions relating to tomorrow, that will be recorded tomorrow, means nothing is being pending. And this is also called, and one more thing you can add in this, the day book is also called day book because in this all the transactions are recorded on the chronological order, on the basis of occurrence. As the transaction is being occurred, it will be recorded in the books. It is also called book of original entry. Why? Because the very first the transaction is being recorded in this journal, and all the transactions recorded in journal are pure and original. Then later on these are being classified, or these are being divided on the basis of its common feature. Okay, so in order to do the journal, first of all you should be known of the three golden rule of the accountancy, right? There are three rules and three accounts. All the accounts are being classified into three categories. The very first is personal account, second is the real account, and third is the nominal account. अब कौन सी चीज किस अकाउंट में आती है, पहले आपको ये सीखना है. In the personal account, all the humans, Ram, Sham, ABC, XYZ, all the firms and all the institutions are being covered. They belong to personal account. And all the assets, whatever that is tangible asset, whatever that is intangible asset, whatever that is current asset, whatever that is long-term asset, any asset that will be recorded in that will be categorized under a real account. Third is nominal account. And nominal account includes all the expenses, all the incomes, all the profits, all the gains, all the receipts, all the payments, right? When जब आपको ये समझ में आ जाएगा कि कौन सा अकाउंट किस में लाइज करता है, then the next thing is to know the role of that account. Like if anything is lying under personal account, then the rule will apply: debit the receiver, credit the giver. Like I am talking about humans, like Ram. So either Ram may be receiver or giver. If he will be receiver, then you have to debit that. If he will be giver, then you have to credit that. Anything who will be receiving, debit. Anyone who is receiving, debit. Anyone who is giving, credit. Second is real account. All the assets, whatever tangible and intangible. What rule you have to apply? Debit, what comes in, credit, what goes out. If any asset is coming in the business, debit that. If any asset is going out of the business, credit that. Third and last is nominal account. Third golden rule of the accountancy, that is nominal account. And in nominal account, if you find any expense, any loss, you will debit, because rule is debit all expense and losses, credit all income and gains. If any expense, any loss is there, you have to debit that. If any income or any gain, then you have to credit that. So these are the three golden rules. And now next we will try to understand how we can generalize and how to generalize a transaction को generalize कैसे किया जाता है. Okay, so that we will try to understand the next lecture.